In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Plymouth Prowler headlights from the factory halogen lights that have become yellow and dingy over time to something more modern and crisp looking. This is the LED headlight bulbs that I'm going to install on the Plymouth Prowler. This product is linked in the description below, and they appear to be plug and play. The other thing that I like with this headlight bulb is the LEDs get really hot, and this particular model has a fan on the bottom so it keeps it cool and prevents it from overheating. So I will get into the step-by-step on how to install. In order to access the back of the headlight, you'll need to remove 8 T20 screws here. I'm going to remove those now and then remove the cover. Okay, I've removed the 8 T20 screws. Now I'm going to remove the cover, and now I have access to the back of the headlight. Go in here, this cavity. This is the high beam, the low beams are back here. I'm going to counterclockwise rotate the bulb out, and now I have access to the halogen bulb. I'm going to remove these clips. Pry this off, and now I have that headlight free. Now that I have the old headlight bulb out, I'm going to put the new one in. Now you'll need 2 sets of these to do high and low beams. If you just want to do the low beams, then do so with the back ones. I'm going to plug in the new ones. It's really simple. Just plug it right on there, and then I'm going to reinstall the clip faced out like such, and then I'm going to slide the new LED bulb into place and then rotate clockwise. I took these white gloves off to get a better grip. Now that I got the headlight down in there, I'm going to feel around till I get the tab located, and then just rotate about a quarter turn and the tabs will be in place. So now that headlight is installed, and then I'm going to take this harness and tuck it down in here away from the housing. You can also use, there's 2-sided tape in here. You could 2-sided tape the harness to the back wall to make sure that it doesn't touch the headlight housing. Now to get to the low beams, they're in the back here. Same thing, you're going to counter rotate, pull them out, and get the headlight out. I'm going to pull the tab up, pull the old headlight out. Alright, new headlight. Get this clips right in, nice and easy. Now I'm going to put this blue clip back on. This one's a little bit tighter in here. Not too bad. There we go. Got the tab lined up. Now I'm going to move this wire harness, kind of set it off to the side. Since I had the cover out, I cleaned it up a little bit to get all the dirt and grime off along with this top of the headlight. Now I'm going to reinstall this as such. Take these 8 bolts, reinstall them. This is what it looks like after the LEDs are installed. It's a nice clean white look. That's both high beam and low beam. The new LED lights really look great in person. I wish I had done a before and after video, but this is what it looks like after. It definitely looks good. And then there's the high beams. I definitely recommend these. The light is very crisp and clean. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.